Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ClearScore application not showing your credit score issue. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to log into the ClearScore application and check your credit score, but you are not getting your credit score from the app and you're facing some issues, then the first thing to check is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then search for the ClearScore application. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it in order to install the latest updates. Once the update is completed, open up the app and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the ClearScore application and then tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for ClearScore. First of all, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. And now tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom left corner and then tap on Delete to delete all of your user data. You will now need to log back into your account on ClearScore, but once you log back in, you will notice that your score will now appear. And there you have it. That is how you can fix the issue of ClearScore not showing your credit score. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.